break down for me a little bit what you do now with your coaching and your clients.
Yes. So it's nice because after doing a real estate for such a long time, I thought that I needed to teach people, and this became because I was talking to God, and I'm like, God, what do I need to do? Like, He's like, teach other people how to become successful. So at the beginning, I started teaching how to become real estate developer. But then I realized within a short period of time that the people that I were mentoring and the people that were coming up to me is like, Edwin, you did so many different industries.
Right.
How did you become successful in all of them? So then I realized that people didn't want to learn real estate development. They needed to learn how to become successful at business.
The foundation,
The foundation,
right?
the basics, how to create a multi-million-dollar company.
Right.
And when I started thinking about that, I realized that my key to success has always been the repetition, doing the same thing over and over again, and following the same steps and the same systems and the same procedures. So I'm like, okay, that's what people need to learn. So then I started teaching business scaling. How do I take entrepreneurs that are on the 7 figures and want to go to 8 figures? How do I take those entrepreneurs that have hit that ceiling at the 6 figures, but want to go to 7 figures? And because I have hit those ceilings as well. So I figure out, in order for you to be able to get to the next level, you need somebody to guide you and to show you what's holding you back.